132 mile an hour for the Falcon in the airflow lane there. Thank you very much for perfect timing to what we're actually talking about. And that car probably goes to a daily driver, to and from work every day for that person. You know what I mean? Big bird out from a Commodore down there in the rocket lane. Or should I say HSV?
Actually can't see if it is or not. Goes out. 1.8 in the 60. And Falcon out and chasing, but you can't give that much away.
Not a chance.
11.5, 122 miles an hour.
Yeah, 5 there.